Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to show you how you guys can get hardware HWID Ban from Fortnite Battle Royale, and it is easy entry and Battle I undetected from Fortnite. So let's say you want to cheat and you keep getting kicked because your spoofer is trash and detectable and it's not really that good, or you're just hardware HWID Ban and trying to play with a good undetected cheat. Well, this is my solution. You could play it with my spoofer. So you guys can play Fortnite legit without cheating, or you could play without or you could play with cheating. Sorry. And if I sound weird, it's because I don't feel that good. My nose is a little stuck. So yeah, once you made a purchase in my Discord server, I'm just gonna bring the link in the description. You will have this folder, and I'm going to and it will be in a WinWire folder. So you will get this folder. I'm gonna delete it. I'm going to have this there. Let me disable my exclusions. Alright, it's not there. Alright, so you right click and click extract here, and then you should have this here, money. This is the spoofer and the cleaners and stuff like that. Okay, so first thing you want to do is open the serial checker. Okay, you could copy to a notepad, like for example, let me delete this serials before and after. Now you could copy all this, put it there. Doesn't matter. I'm gonna just do that for the sake of this video. I will probably just put this and put it in here. I'll just do that usually, but it doesn't matter, it's fine. And first thing you want to do is go to here, right click on the shield, click view security dashboard, and then click this part right here. And then click manage settings, and then you can turn this off, or you could instead of turning it off, you click add and remove exclusions, adding exclusion, and then click folder, then you click money. Let me do that. Select folder like that, and only one thing you need to do is you gotta turn off the firewall. And then after we're finished spoofing stuff like that, we're going to turn it back on. So you keep this open in the background. Now I'm going to open the cleaners. Okay, and this is instructions. So like, there's a readme over here. And first thing, if you don't have this, you need to download 1.1. So I'm going to uninstall, for example, real quick. And I think this is only Winver 1909. I forgot to show you guys this, but version 1909 right there. Now I need some testers for for my spoofer. So yeah, if you guys want to test for 20H2, and let me know. And yeah, so I'll give you a couple hours key, and then I'll just delete it back, and then yeah, so I don't have it. So now you for all the stuff like I did, download the setup, click install, just let it install throughout the whole thing. Yes, and wait for this to install. Now what this do is it makes your internet safer, and it connects to kiosk API and the server. So once you finish that, click finish, then click next, accept that, and then you turn this on, and then go to the settings right here, click 1.1.1.1, and it should have this 1.1.1.1.1. Now, let's get to the cleaning part. So, you will need to remove the cleaner if you get banned from the game, so you can remove the traces. And it's right here, and you can either format your PC like reinstall Windows, or you can use the cleaners folder and follow the instructions in here. So like the instructions are here, deep cleaners and regular Fortnite cleaners. So I'm going to show you what I usually do to clean for Fortnite. So these are the steps right here. So open Fortnite cleaner.exe and this will pop up. Just wait for it, and yeah. Click no. If you click yes, you'll mess up your internet adapters. And click yes on Spoof Mac. Okay? So this will show you and stuff like that. Now we go on to the second cleaner. One button cleaner, exit at the red screen. I mean, you don't have to exit, but it's recommended that you exit at the red screen. Sorry for the background noise as well. So yeah, just minimize that, and this part will change forever. So yeah, your baseboard will change in your BIOS and stuff like that. So, now I'm about to exit because it's gonna show. This is the red screen, so you exit, and then boom. Now we're gonna go to the deep cleaners. Also, the Fortnite cleaner will be in the downloads, so because it deletes itself, so you can re-download it and stuff. Now I'm going to open the cleaners folder. When you finish, open deep cleaners folder, then do the following below. Open run as admin Fortnite clean.ban and wait for it to finish. And then that's what we're gonna do. Deep cleaners folder, run as admin. We're gonna have to click yes, and it has to be a capital. Well, never mind, it doesn't matter. But just wait for it to clean. It should show cleaned, and that's when the exit is finished. Now we're gonna open HWID remove that ban and type Y if it asks for Y, and we'll restart PC for you when it finish cleaning. So I'm going to open this. Click yes. So let's just wait for that to clean, and yeah. As you can see, my internet just went out, but don't worry, it's going to come back soon enough when it starts finding the traces. As you guys can see, reconnected, finding the trace, the tracking files, the trace files, whatever you want to call it. Now this is the step that I always usually take to get unbanned from Fortnite. By the way, yeah, okay. So yeah. Now for example, it says fail to reconnect. Anyway, doesn't matter. Just wait for it to reconnect, and if it doesn't connect, then just unconnect and reconnect to it. As you guys can see, reconnected. Now it's going to start cleaning the game files and stuff like that. Pretty sure. So yeah. And then it's gonna say clean and it's restarting PC, and I'll be back when it finishes restarting. Alright guys, so I'm back and I'm late as you guys can see by the time, but I was doing something and I had to whatchamacallit, do something. But once you finish cleaning, then you now you have multiple MAC addresses and you didn't have like one before, then it's gonna have a couple, but it shouldn't really matter. And it's still the same having spoofed. Like for example, this, if you had one couple and it wasn't like this, then I'll show you how to get it back like that, and it'll make it easier for the spoofing process to spoof your MAC address. So what we're going to do is right click on the internet icon, click open network and internet settings, click change adapter options. Now you should have the screen. The one with the red X's is the one you're going to disable. So right click, disable, right click, disable. And you only had this one, the one that you're using for internet, and you only have one, then that's fine. But now you should have disabled your internet adapters, and it looks like this. I mean, it should look like this. Only one MAC address. So now we're already cleaned and stuff like that. So now we're gonna open the spoofer. Now, before you start spoofing and you want to type out your license keys for some reason, doesn't matter. But if you click your license key and you want to type it out for some reason and you click login, but it's the same key, then if it shows this, that's because it's not the exact key. I mean, it's the same key, but it's like lowercase or something like that. You know what I mean? So like if I put the same exactly key, then I click login and it should show you this. It should work. So you click spoof, and then after that you should like disable your antiviruses, but we already added exclusion. Now you should disable basic anti-cheat and Vanguard. Yeah, and if you hear beep, then that means the spoofing process has completed, and we heard this beep. So now we're gonna open the serial checker, and boom, our serials have been changed, as you guys can see. So our baseboard BIOS CPU has been blanked out and nulled, and our MAC addresses has been changed like from this one, and our disk drive has been changed too. It's been randomized. So now all you gotta do, I'm gonna show you how you guys can create an account. Just go in here, create an account. Excuse me. But you just put whatever you want. Now put an actual legit email, because it's gonna look sus when you put it in Epic thing, Epic sign up thing. But then for Microsoft too, put a random year, month, and you gotta do some verification or solve a puzzle so that you can make this account and it could be active, and so you could use it for Fortnite Battle Royale, and you could sign in. So I just copy it, and I'm going to go to the sign up option. Now if you have an account, make sure it's not the same account that you used when you were HWID Ban, if that makes sense. So make sure it's a clean account with no traces or anything like that. So basically, if that account and you've been on it before and you got kicked on that account before, then do not use that account, okay? So now, like I said, we're going to the Epic Games launcher. Now you put the email address that you have made, put it in here, in the password and all that stuff. And also, when you spoof, it will close Epic Games and Fortnite. So you don't have to worry about like closing it before you spoof and stuff like that. So if you want, you can also go to Task Manager, right click on your taskbar, Task Manager, Startup, then you right click and click Enable or Disable, or down here, doesn't matter. But that's basically all it is. And if you guys use my spoofer, then you should enjoy playing the game. And if you guys need help, join my Discord and contact a Discord bot, and it will have the roll call DM me for help. And yeah, enjoy the game and enjoy playing again. And my spoofer is always updated, but it might take a couple days to update my spoofer and make sure it bypass the anti-cheat. So yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, join my Discord below, and the prices are on the screen right about now. And make sure you guys stay safe, and I'm out. Peace.